What's going on, everyone? Hey, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make up to $500 a day online, totally free. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience. It's totally free. All I want you to do is stick around on this video up to the end of the video, so that I may be walking you through each and every step. And also make sure to hit that subscription button below, and also don't forget to check on the first link on my hashtag one recommended way to make money online, as I walk you through each and every step. So I want you to listen to this. You can choose this to be either monthly, yearly, or per day. It really depends on the amount of effort that you put and your capability of learning and understanding all the skills that I'm going to be sharing with you. So make sure to stick around on this video up to the end, so that you may not miss each and every step. So as you can take a look at my screen, what you're having here is $504.60 per month, and you can start doing this without any investment at all. You can start doing this without paying a single dime. And remember, if you really want to understand how you can crash it, whereby you're getting mentors, you're getting people who are holding your hands, and people who have already done this is called shortening the curve. Always remember to hit that first link whereby I'm talking about my hashtag one recommended way on how to make money online. So here's the thing. All you need to understand is what product are you promoting, and what I'll be focusing here is on software products, right? So let me walk you through a preview on what I'll be sharing with you, so that you may understand what you'll be going through, and you'll be sticking around and you'll be working with me on this video up to the end. So the first thing will be the first software you'll be using will be ConvertKit. All right. After ConvertKit, the second one will be Groove. It's a new software, and if you're a beginner and if you're experienced in internet marketing, or you've been watching different videos on internet marketing, we all understand ClickFunnels. And you know, when ClickFunnels came on into the market, it made a lot of people millions. It made a lot of people money. But the difference with ClickFunnels and GrooveFunnels is GrooveFunnels, you can become an affiliate right now, totally free, 100%. They're giving you all the tools and everything to really promote the GrooveFunnels, and as soon as you make one sale, you're able to be compensated up to 40%. So listen to me, because also at the end of the video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can really use YouTube. For example, I have a very small channel, and I usually use YouTube to generate thousands and thousands of leads, and from these leads I'm able to convert them into some of the products that I sell, and people are able to buy. So walk with me, stick around up to the end, and let's start with the first software, which is ConvertKit. Okay, so what is ConvertKit? ConvertKit is somewhere where it's a landing page. Okay, it's a software by it promotes email marketing, landing pages, and websites. So this is something that businesses are always searching for, and this is something that people always want. Help creators earn a living online, make some cash while you're at it. So this is, I've been able to create different websites also with ConvertKit and landing pages that I'm really using also. And what are you required to do? All you just need to do is, first, you sign up. Anyone can join the take a look at this. Anyone can join the ConvertKit affiliate program. Seriously, you don't even need to be a ConvertKit customer to promote ConvertKit, but to be a successful affiliate, I really recommend you to become a member of the ConvertKit. So share with the audience. Share with the audience, stick around up to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use YouTube even if you don't have any views at all, 100%. I'll be sharing with you how you can use YouTube to get people who are looking for this software, and how you can earn from it. And this really depends on how active you'll be, and how will you be able to really follow all the things that I'm showing you step by step. So we send you 30% commission for every person we sign up to ConvertKit through your affiliate link. But it's not just that one payment when they sign up. That 30% is, I want you to take a look at this. Remember, you're just promoting ConvertKit for free, 100%. All you just need to do is just register with an email and a phone number, and just some few details that will provide your name, and then you get an affiliate link whereby I'll be sharing with you how to use YouTube. And also stick around, because, and make sure to hit that subscription button below, because tomorrow I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use Facebook also and other social media platforms to really promote this. So that 30% is going to hit your bank account every month for as long as their ConvertKick is active. And I want you to understand this. This is what we call residual income. So want to see how much you could be making right now? Slide. Okay, so you can make up to even 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, up to 5,000 when you really follow the exact steps that I am sharing with you here. So listen to me. Let me give you the second affiliate program that you can partner with it totally free, 100%. And then I walk you through how you can use YouTube now to really get traffic into your affiliate link, whereby you'll be getting people to sign up. Listen, if you really don't have to do, even if you don't want to shoot a video, I'm showing you how you can really promote your link 100%. So if you're getting value, you guys, remember, always remember to hit that subscription button below. Remember also to hit the #1 recommended way on how you can crash it online, so that I may be sending you more content, more value like this. So the other one I've talked about is Groove Digital, right? So how does Groove Digital work? I mentioned we understand about ClickFunnels. So learn how to earn 40% recurring and residual income for life, and our automatic 2-tier affiliate program. GrooveFunnels, what do you need to actually register? Like, I actually registered on this account right now. I already have my affiliate link. I already have links that I can promote it. It's totally free, 100%. I've not paid anything. And this is how you can start promoting your business online for free, leveraging these softwares. And let me give you a tip, guys, about the Groove, because this is, I've never shoot this video again, but I want to give you a tip. Groove is a new software platform, so they will do everything to really make sure that they've gotten good reviews to get promoted and to be at the top. So the moment you're promoting it right now, there's not that huge competition, so it will be very, very easy for you to crash it using the strategy that I'll be sharing with you at the end with YouTube. So let me show you what they're giving you. They're giving you your free links, they're showing you the stats, they're giving you email swipes, they're giving you blog reviews, they're giving you articles you can write about the Groove. All you just need to do now is actually copy and paste. They give you also banners, they give you thank you page ads, log out ads, social media, video reviews, Facebook ads, signatures. They give you everything. So all you just need to do is just copy and paste and post what they have already given you. You're doing nothing at all. So how can you really make crazy income using YouTube? Okay, how can you really promote this using YouTube? For example, let's dive into YouTube. As you can see on my YouTube channel, I usually post a lot of videos, and at the link at the description, I usually post links. Right, I usually post links, and these links, they usually direct people to different platforms and to different things that I believe that they give value to different people and they can help them out. So how can you really do this? You can either choose two options. You can shoot a video, for example, doing a review about ConvertKick and showing people, they've already given you some marketing strategies that you can use, and showing people how ConvertKick can help them build their businesses online. So here, all you just need to come here. Let's take a look at ConvertKit. Let's take a look at ConvertKit review. When people want to promote something, when people want to buy something, they're always looking for reviews. And as you can see here, this is ConvertKick review. He's saying don't buy until you see this. I'm sure the moment you click on this, he will be having his own link below. Let's take a look. Let's try and take a look. Let's take a look if here is promoting ConvertKick. General community, right? It looks like he is not converting it. You can see this is very, very real, guys. This is very, very transparent. I just want to show you reviews. So this is an added advantage. If he is not promoting it, this is an added advantage to you. Listen to me. This is an added advantage to you. Let's take a look at someone else who is an affiliate with it or promoting it. This is 280 views. Let's try and see if he is promoting it as an affiliate. Let's take a look at Okay, you can see. Click here to read it. Start your ConvertKit journey here. As soon as you click here, let's see, I'm sure this will be taking you to his affiliate link whereby you can get access. Take a look at this, guys. This is his affiliate link. So as soon as you log in and sign up for free, he's been able to get paid, you guys. And listen, he's been able to get paid. How much did you use to get your affiliate link for free? How much are you using to promoting it on YouTube for free? Let's say, for example, you're this person doesn't feel like who doesn't feel like shooting videos. So what do you want to do? All you do want to have is make sure to have your convert link, your ConvertKit affiliate link. So on your ConvertKit affiliate link, all you want to do, let's take a look if he has dropped okay, he's sharp, he's a sharp guy. So if he had not put his comment off, and actually think this is not being sharp, because if people are not commenting on your YouTube videos, you are not getting more engagement, and it means that your video will not be shown to many people. So if I was the one, I could just have the abundance mindset and just leave the comments on. As soon as you come and click and comment your link here and say, hey, get started on the convert link here. If you click, I'll be giving you a free demo on how you can go through everything. And that's how you're able to get traffic, right? That's how you're able to get traffic to your affiliate link. Let's dive into this one. The other one, for example, the other one that is on advantage to you is this one, okay? The first one, because remember, this guy, he is not sharing any link in the comments, and he has already actually, I should actually do this, and I should actually do this and show you how exactly it works. Okay, let me take my convert link affiliate. I don't even get my link right now. Let's try and see if I can get my link as quick as possible. I'm already a member, so I'm supposed to apply. Okay, that will take a little bit long, but I'll get my link, and what I'll come here is I'll give them the link here. I'll say start your ConvertKit journey here. Click on this link, right? And as soon as someone clicks on that link, they take them to my affiliate link, and I am able to generate commissions and revenue from that. Okay, so that's how you're able to crash it. And the other one is also on Groove. All you just need to is just come here, take the link, right? This is a Groove Funnels link, secret back Groove Funnels link. Take this link here. This is your affiliate link. Copy it. Let's see when you post it, when you paste it on your web, where it goes. It goes to a Groove sales page. Okay, so here, this is where it sells them. This is a sales page. Okay, and it's totally free. All you want to come here is look for Groove review. Let me post this actually, so that I may see you. I may show you Groove funnels review. Okay, and that's how you're able to make up to $500 for free, 100% without even doing anything. Okay, you can see it has actually it doesn't have a lot of views because it's something new. It doesn't have a lot of people who are doing reviews, so you can just come here. Okay, you can just come here, and you can see, I'm sure he is also get a free Groove sell account here. You can see, okay, get Groove funnels plus my exclusive bonuses here. You can see, you can also you can just come and comment. You can come and comment and post your affiliate link here and say get access to the Groove funnels here and get a free bonus. For me, I'll give out a free bonus of $100 travel voucher card, because I usually give them out, and also on my YouTube channel I'll be giving these ones out. So make sure to hit that subscription button below so that you may not miss anything and get a free bonus. A free $100 dollars bonus travel voucher card. Okay, and I will, that's how you get ahead of the market. Now I'll click comment. All right, I've just clicked commented and I have not posted my link. I don't know if there is a, I'll just drop my link below. Paste, that's my link. Bang. And that's how you're able to crash it online 100% for free. So hope you've gotten value from this video. All I want you to do is hit that subscription button below, and always remember to get into my channel and watch some other videos that I've shoot. They'll be of great help to really help you crash it and to really help you understand the online space and how you can grow and become and start making some actually residual income from it. Be blessed, have a good time. Make sure to hit the subscription button below, and also check the my hashtag one recommended way on how to make money online, and we will meet on my next episode. Bye bye.